Hey y'all, so as we can see from the title, I am doing a DIY stool. So I'm actually not using this pattern, but here's the stool. Y'all, this is one of my favorite bonnets from this girl, but it popped and now I just have money fabric and I decided to use this instead. So this is what I'm going to be using on my stool instead of the unicorn print. Okay, here are my tools. We got my pink hot glue gun. Well, it got pink in it, as y'all can see. Wait, I think it comes on when I plug it in, actually. I got the Gorilla Glue sticks. Here's the unicorn fabric that I'm gonna just save because I actually did this on the stool before, but it was a different pattern. And I had to change it because it got all messed up. So we'll see how long this lasts this time. Ooh. As y'all can see, this hot glue gun is Helmer's. And they got hot glue guns. They're not expensive at all. I thought they were for some reason, but they got them at I got this one from CVS, but they got them at Walmart for very cheap. But they ain't pink, so if you want it pink, then you might have to go to CVS. I ain't gonna lie, I probably should have kept the directions. I do have the directions still, but they're just not. They're not in this box or nowhere that I know of right now. So I thought that I was gonna put little pins in it to make it stay, but obviously can't do that. So yeah, I'm just about to go piece by piece. Okay, sticky. Okay, I think I'm done. Okay. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Looking good there. That was like way different than I expected it though. Like, I crazy process, but yes, we're done now. So you guys, pretty easy to do, way easier than I thought. So yeah, if you want to do it, go ahead, get you a cheap hot glue gun from Walmart, or again, if you want the pink, I got this from CVS. And the sticks, Gorilla sticks, I got them from Walmart. And yes, guys, again, fabric from Walmart too, but again, I wanted to use this money bonnet last minute, so that's what we did. And yeah, y'all, this is so cute. I really love it. And that's all we got for the video today. So if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back with the apartment series because there's so much more I have to do.